Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Libra, July the 4th to July the 7th, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. Comment po kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Napakalaking bagay po ng comment nyo po, no? To help this video improve, no? At para makapasok siya sa algorithm. And like po, no? Yung dalawang pong yun. And speaking of like, I wanted to know na ang Gemini po is, kung makikita nyo, ang haba ng reading, almost kalahating oras, no? Well, actually, kalahating oras. Meron po silang bonus reading kasi na-hit po nila yung goal, no? Ang goal po natin para mahaba din po ang inyong reading sa susunod is 200 likes, no? So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe din po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience po. And pwede po kayong sumali sa ating live sessions doon, no? Pero kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take only what resonates with you, no? So Libra, magsimula na tayo. Wow. It felt like Libra parang either, ito kasi nagsimula, no? I'm seeing two scenarios in here for Libra Sun and Libra Moon, no? And for those who have Libra placement po sa kanilang chart, I feel like this started when you were, let's say, really is searching for love, no? Ibig ko sabihin dito, probably either nagsawa na kayo sa ex nyo, bago tong karelasyon nyo ngayon, ha? Or yung iba, nandito pa lang sa, eto na siya, yung nagde-date, no? Kasi iba-iba po tayo ng timeline. Let's say, kung meron ka pang karelasyon noon, tapos nagustuhan mo itong taong to. No judgment, pero parang palihim, no, na nagpapakita din tayo ng motibo, no? And I feel like meron ng somewhat communication na nangyayari, no? Para po doon sa wala namang karelasyon, no? I feel like you're very ready, no? I'm speaking from the past, ha? Most numbers of you sa past, yung less percentage is dito po sa present, no? Again, magkaiba ng timeline ito, pero same scenario. Doon po sa mga walang karelasyon, parang sabi niyo sa sarili niyo, naku, ready na ako, no? Na e-explore ang pag-ibig. Bigyan ng, sabihin natin, chance, no? Yung ibang tao, or bigyan yung puso ko ng chance para magmahal muli, no? With the High Priestess and the Ten of Cups. So I'm really seeing here you're giving birth to an idea, more of you're balancing things out, no? At first probably inoobserbahan natin si person, no? What I am also seeing in here is talagang na-enhance or ginamit natin itong feminine side. So it doesn't matter kung lalaki ka, no, na Libra. Lahat naman po may feminine and masculine side. The mere fact, no, na marunong tayo magmahal, that's actually the feminine side, no? And para po sa mga babae, the mere fact na kaya nating mag-isip ng tama, and sometimes we are being more logical, that's actually the masculine side, no? So what I'm seeing in here is, it enhances, more of the feminine side of, I think I'm really ready to explore. You're balancing the good, the bad, you know. You're also balancing if crush nga lang ba ito or pagmamahal na nga ba ito. But I felt like dumating tayo sa isang situation na biglaan. Uy, bigla na lang naging, all of a sudden, naging love ko si person. No? Chances are, mabilis yung pangyayari. I think that you also think na ito na yata yung person na para sa akin. No? There's something really magical sa connection ninyo. No? I feel like dito po pumapasok yung baka sinasabi niyo meron ditong divine timing, meron ditong strong magnetic attraction, may ibang kilig no na hindi ko maintindihan. For a few numbers of you, baka sinabi niyo itong karelasyon ko ngayon is siya na ang bigay sa akin. No? Probably this is the person na tinatawag nating the one. So, ang maganda kasi dito is nagpatuloy siya. This might not be a perfect relationship because of the high priestess, no? Meron din ditong feminine side, masculine side, the good, the bad. The pillars are here as you can see, no? This is more of balancing, no? The good, the bad, the black, the white, what? Yung in contrast, no? Uh, ups and downs, no? So you may be in a roller coaster ride for a few numbers of you, pero parang sabi mo, kayang isalba, kayang pakitunguhan, pwedeng mag-adjust. With the meanings in here or the signs with the chariot and the five of pentacles, there may be times na I feel like na wala pa kayo masyadong moments to be on a one roof together. Ibig sabihin, wala pa tayo dun sa living in together. Yung iba sa inyo living in together, marriages, no? Yung mga nasa marriages naman, or nagsasama na sa isang bubong, I feel like ngayon medyo hindi ganun kadalas ang pagsasama. There's a bit of a distance as of the moment. With the Five of Pentacles, let's clarify, no? Kasi bakit parang sinasabi dito na kahit merong challenges, dapat tignan pa rin natin yung kung paano tayo nagsimula, kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon sa sitwasyon na ito. Meron pa rin tayong mga magagandang bagay na dapat balikan, ipagmuni-muni at ipagpasalamat. No? With the Four of Swords and the Six of Swords, you may be in a pace na sinasabi natin nagkakalamigan lang, no? Again, tulad ng sabi ko, medyo ups and downs, no? Not maybe in a good situation as of the moment, pero pahinga lang ang kailangan ng relationship na ito. With the Three of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords, wow. I feel like nandito na tayo sa gusto nating mag-give up, no? But I feel like the message here, Libra, is meron pang chance, pwede pang isalba itong relasyon na ito. Pag-isipang mabuti with the Three of Pentacles, with the Ten of Swords, clarified by the Six of Wands and the Hierophant, no? Kung meron mang mga nagawa itong person mo sa iyo, I feel like there is an apology. Kung meron mang hindi maayos na nasabi, or there are words that's really uncalled for, nakikita ko babawi naman itong si person. Whatever it takes, I feel like nandun ka na sa verge ng parang sabi mo, because of the challenges, ayoko na, medyo nananawa na ako, hindi na, hindi na siya healthy or hindi na ganun ka tamis, no, yung pag-iibigan namin. With the chariot signifies surpassing the challenges, no? I feel like with the chariot and the high priestess aligned, there might be something that your person is going to do to give birth to a new idea, and probably this will be the resolution of how you can fix things together. Again, this might not be a perfect relationship, but I think that this is a relationship that can be fixed, and a relationship that you can, sabihin natin, tweak a bit and adjust, no? Um, and once both of you understand the flow of the connection, I feel like this is a lifetime commitment, no? Let's check kung ano ang gustong sabihin ni person sa'yo, no? Ah, mahal ka naman ni person kahit na merong mga challenges, ano? Isipin natin kung paano tayo nagsimula, 'di ba? I think we have to go back to memory lane. Bumalik tayo sa mga sabihin nating lugar, no? Mga kinakain nung tayo nagsisimula. Let's, kind of reminisce together with your person. What's the point of it all? And our love will never cease to exist. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, baka ikaw yung may galit, what's the point of it all? Bakit kailangan kong gawin lahat? Bakit kailangan kong bigyan ng chance, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko nga dito is you met the one, and this is a connection that might probably, sabihin natin, that you can grow up with, both of you, no? Not just the time, but also the maturity, no? Let's get one advice here, Libra. This might be from your spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, whatever you want to call this universe, no? What areas of your life are you avoiding? What are causing you to upset, worry, disrupted sleep, to focus on? These are the things that you really need to focus on. As much as you don't want to, it is necessary. Tackle your demons heads on. Don't allow them to rule you for a second longer. So, ina-advise kayo dito na kung meron mang mga challenges na nangyayari, it's much better to face it rather than run away from it, no? So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person to clarify if this reading is for you, Libra. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn, Gemini, Pisces, Sagittarius, no? So, yan po ang inyong reading. Again, Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the zing notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayo mga ilan-ilan na reading doon, at magsisimula na po akong maging regular din ng post, no, doon. So, might as well subscribe to Babaylan TV. Libra, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling po ninyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na tanong lang, sa description box po, there is a link. All you have to do is to either copy the link, click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, no? So, how much is the fee, per question, modes of payment, no? QR codes, and I have a 4+1, so that's a discounted price. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa kabilang channel. Nandun din po yan sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.